In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to RSVP to a meeting with your location in Google Calendar. This is a helpful skill for anyone who wants to keep their calendar organized, while also providing a clear picture of their attendance plans to colleagues and meeting organizers. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. You can simply open up your web browser and type in Google Calendar, or go directly to the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on your main calendar view, which might show you a daily, weekly, or a monthly view depending on your preferences. Next, you need to locate the event that you want to RSVP to. Scroll through your calendar to find the specific date and time of the meeting. These entries are usually highlighted or have a distinct color, which makes them easier to spot. Now that you've found the meeting in your calendar, click on it to open up the event details. Within these details, you'll see options to indicate your availability, yes, no, or maybe. Here, you simply choose the appropriate button to reflect whether you can attend the meeting, and always remember your response here will be visible to the event organizers and other attendees. If you're planning to attend the meeting, make sure to click yes. Once you do so, a small down arrow will appear next to the yes option. This drop-down menu provides more nuanced RSVP choices. Clicking on the arrow will give you two different location options to specify your method of attendance. You can choose between yes in a meeting room or yes joining virtually. This step really helps in clearly communicating how you'll be participating, especially in hybrid meeting environments where some attendees might be in a physical location while others join remotely. Moreover, if you have any additional notes or comments you'd like to convey to your fellow attendees or the meeting organizers, now is the chance to add them in. There's usually an option to include a note when you RSVP. This is particularly useful for sharing critical information, like if you'll arrive late or leave early. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently RSVP to any meetings on Google Calendar with your location specified, making sure everyone involved knows whether you're attending in person or virtually. It's a small task that can significantly improve communication and organization for both you and your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.